Hi guys, welcome back again to sujfashion channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this scrunchie. It is easy, quick to make and beginner friendly. Okay, so if you are new here, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. On this channel I post sewing tutorial, pattern drafting and DIY project. So do well to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I see you guys and I appreciate you guys. Thank you for your love and support. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Right here guys, I have my fabric which I'm going to be using for this project. It is a satin fabric. Okay, you can make use of any fabric of your choice, but for this project I'm working with this satin fabric for today. Okay, so the length of the fabric I'm working with is 29 inches in length, as you can see in the video. Then the width I'm working with is 6 inches. Okay, then after marking the 6 inches, the first thing we are going to do now is to fold our fabric into two, and you are going to be stitching with 1/2 inch from here to here, leaving 1 inch at the beginning and 1 inch at the end. So once I'm done stitching, this is what I have here. And now guys, see that 1 inch we left here, we are going to use it to turn our fabric to the right side. Okay, but remember to backstitch at the beginning and also at the end of your stitch to avoid your fabric losing while turning it. Okay, so the next thing we are going to turn it, you can use a safety pin here to turn your own fabric inside out, but I'm using my hand because I feel I'm comfortable using the hand and the channel is wide enough for my hand to pass through. So that's why I'm using my hand here. And once I was done turning it to the right side, it looked like this. If you want, you can go ahead and iron it out. Okay, next, you see this 1 inch we left on both sides, that is what we are going to be using to join this fabric together. Okay, so bring the two edges together this way, right side facing each other, and you are going to take it to your sewing machine and stitch like 1/2 inch sewing allowance there. Okay, you can pin it down to make your work easy. Then you stitch 1/2 inch, and once I was done stitching, it looked like this. Then I'm going to stretch it out. Okay, then I'm going to be passing my elastic band through this opening here. So guys, this is my elastic band and it's measured 9 inches in length, but you can use 7, 6 or even 9. Okay, then the next thing, we are going to grab our safety pin, use it to pass it to that opening there. Now using my safety pin, I'm going to be passing my elastic band into the scrunchie from that channel, as you can see me do in the video. So I'm trying to locate the hole and pass my elastic band there. Okay, and also as you are passing it, try to hold the other end of the elastic band in place. Okay, try to hold it in place so that you will not lose it inside. Then after passing it, grab the two edges together and you can take it to your sewing machine and stitch it down with 1/2 inch, or you tie it. Okay, but me in this video I'm tying my own, as you can see I'm tying it. So while tying it, try to make it very strong and firm. I'm checking it to see that it's very strong. Okay, then after checking it and you're fine with it, the next thing is to cut out the excess. Okay, and once that is done, go ahead and let it go inside like so. So I'm trying to adjust it now. Then guys, we are almost done. The next and the final stage is to close up the opening. Okay, you can take it to your sewing machine and stitch it very close to the edge, but if you want a neater finish, you can just hand stitch it. Okay, and we are done guys. So that's all for this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. And as you can see, I went ahead and made some more cute colorful ones for my customers. Okay, if you need this, you can place an order. Like this video if you get value from it. Subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so, and also share the video to the people that will need it. Okay, please like the video if you are yet to do so. like it so that you too will push the video to more people that will need it. Okay, then subscribe if you are yet to do so. Subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye for now.